and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai, and today I will be showing you how to download Adobe Acrobat to your desktop. We'll first start off by logging into your computer. Next, we'll go into our internet browser. In our URL search bar, we'll type in Adobe Acrobat Reader and hit Enter. Now that we have displayed our results, we'll click on the first option. Now we've arrived at our installation page. You can either hit Install Now and receive the optional offers, or deselect these checkmark boxes. We'll hit Install Now, and this will begin the download process. Our download will pop to the bottom left of the screen. You'll click Yes, and your computer will ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes to this device? Click Yes. Now that we've completed the download process, click Finish. And we've now opened a new Acrobat page. Congratulations! You've just downloaded Adobe Acrobat Reader onto your desktop. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned.